yesterday evening to try and roost some birds, and it was a little too windy. Heard one bird off in the distance, but other than that, it was a pretty quiet evening. It's calm this morning, warm. Hopefully the birds are gobbling. Wind's supposed to pick up here a little later this morning, so if we hear a bird, we're gonna have to try and get on it quick and make it happen before that wind kicks up and we won't be able to hear them gobble. But I think Mason and them's out on some public land here in Ohio, trying to get them their first bird. So good luck to them. But I'm gonna kick back and hopefully we can hear a bird gobble here soon. Well, that was pretty wild. I was on my way out of the woods and thought I heard a bird gobble. So I stopped and called a couple and had a gobble right back. Actually 2 gobbles. And it's off in the distance a little bit. So I called a little bit more and kept getting closer. And finally it was right on top of me in no time. Hen popped out, and then seen 2 red heads behind her pop up over the hill, and they kind of come trotting in and started strutting in front of me, and about 25 yard shot maybe, and pretty good bird. The other one that was with him didn't really have no beard. I don't know if he had beard rot or what was going on, but this one came in and I busted him. Didn't get it on my big camera, but luckily I had the GoPro on the gun, and I think we'll be able to see it on that, I hope. But let's check this bird out. Not too bad of a beard. Weird spurs. I don't know if he broke that one off. Looks like it, but one good one. It's a good spur there. But real pretty bird. Not bad for opening morning. I've been out since it was still pitch black when I got out here and got set up, and heard a couple gobbles off in the distance, but nothing real close, and kind of made a loop and heard a couple gobbles again, called and got set up, and there was 2 toms I could see with them, but it was 6 jakes, and I think the jakes ran the tom off because they went down over the backside away from me gobbling. And I had the jakes come right in 10-12 yards from me, right past me, and fooled around for a little bit, and finally they worked off. And it's warm. I was on my way out of the woods, come across this one with a hen, and everything worked out. So I shot him there in the edge of the field. Looked like he dropped, and so I cut the camera. Got up there to him, went to pick him up, doing things started flopping and took off down over the hill from me, so I had to chase him down. But that's not going to be on film for you guys to laugh at, but I'm laughing at it because it would have been hilarious. But let's get this guy tagged in and head on out of here and make plans to hunt with the guys tomorrow. See if we can get Mason and Colton a bird. So thanks for tuning in to Riser Outdoors.